This is the blending video guide for now is a very important sound and also quite a difficult one for a lot of students to deal with. Just like it's a very small sound that students tend to add a vowel onto the end of, and bad kindergarten teachers will often teach them to add a vowel to the end of it. So this is often pronounced as ka when we want it to be k. It's important because of its letter associations. It's the first sound that the children will encounter which has multiple letter associations. So it has the C, the K, and the CK. But that's not really about the sound or the blending, so I won't talk about that here. Just like there's not really much going on in terms of our mouths externally when we make the sound. So the face needs to have another kind of feature to it, which is going to make it memorable for the students. So in this case, it's the scissors. These are very important to how Phonics Friends conveys and makes the sound memorable and helps it blend. By utilising the mnemonic of scissors, we're able to get across the fast nature of the sound and the fact that it just like b and it can't blend smoothly. So the scissors can go. It's very hard for a small kid to snip scissors slowly. They're always going to snip them very quickly. So this helps to convey the speed of the sound. Also is useful in the blending. And we can use the scissor mnemonic alongside the sound to help get that across. So we could have ka, ke, ki, ko, ka. And again, the speed of the snip helps the students with the transition. However, it's still very, very difficult for students to do, and so will probably require a lot of practice and a lot of review. This is often one of the hardest ones for students to blend, and so yeah, the main thing to do is to come back to it frequently.